Cocoa Daisy friends, Julie Mooney here today to do a flip through of my July Cocoa Daisy Wisteria Lane planner. And so to start with, I have this lemon, it's very pale lemon yellow Filofax domino, and I really like it because it has the elastic string around it so I can put swag on it. So I have swag from Fur and You, but I also got swag by Hearts by Emma because I loved them both and I have no control, I guess, is really the bottom line. But this one has silver and this one has gold. So there's a little bit of difference between the two, but they're both very beautiful and I love them both. So I got them both. So I'm gonna put this out of the way. So we also have the bigger pouch this month. I'm so excited about that because the pouch is significantly bigger and you can see mine kind of lays flat now, whereas before, I mean, it was just stuffed full. So there's that. I have all my goodies in there. You know, I want to take a peek in. And it's just all kinds of good things in there, including lip gloss and, but lots of planner stuff so that I can truly plan on the go. And then I am using the, gosh, I don't even know what kit this was from. The clear sticker pouch that has periwinkle polka dots on it. I'm guessing maybe September of last year because that was the month that we had purpley kind of things. I put the plaid paper in on one side and then this pattern paper on the other side. And it's a little crumply because I keep my, I keep a few tools in here too because, you know, what if I have this, I just keep a little ruler and a little stencil to make boxes with and my, and my tweezers that I use for putting stickers down. So that's why it's a little crumply. So there's that. And I love that the Cocoa Daisy kits coordinate month after month, even if, you know, there wasn't a clear sticker pouch this month, but that's great because I already had one that goes. So let's get into this. Oh, and there are danglies. So these beads on the end came from Cocoa Daisy in one of the kits, and then the other part came from Hearts by Emma. And I just added them together for all that extra bling. So my planner is super blinged out this month. And it's funny because my work has opened back up, so people will see my planner this month. So that's also fun because I manage a senior center. So my senior ladies like to see it anyway. I take it into the craft group and I let them look at it. So that's kind of fun. So this is one of my planners that doesn't have good pocket. It just comes straight. I think it comes at quite kind of like an angle right there. And that's all there is. So I just slipped a piece of the planner paper in there. Cut a couple of strips out of vellum and punched them and made pockets. And so then I just add a little washi tape, some die cuts, and then I tucked in the glitter dots. I made a few tags, one out of the vellum, and tied a little ribbon on them. There's another little doodad by Hearts by Emma. I tucked in these little lemon sticky notes left over from May of 2020. And I love these little foam letters and then some more die cuts. And then these two came from, I'm thinking from September as well of 2020. The one that was like moon stars and I can't remember the name of it. So that's my pocket. And then I decided to do my title page. I just liked this dashboard. And so I liked having it right where I would see it every day. And instead of doing tabs this month, I just cut paper. So I cut white paper for each of my dividers. And I kind of know where everything is in my planner. So I don't really have to think about it too much. So I kind of like switching it up with the tabs every once in a while. Yeah, doing something different. So this is actually a recycled layout that I had done before. It seems like it was possibly in May of 2020. I can't remember. And it's fun because it just looks so different. And I have a Pinterest page if you'd like to go. My Pinterest page has a planner section. I will link my Pinterest page in the description. And then it's divided by like dashboards. This will be in the dashboard section. So you can go to my dashboard section and look and see what the old one looked like because it's not that hard to figure out that I just pretty much copied my own idea from the first time. So yeah, I do recycle layouts for dashboards because my creativity is not unlimited. I would like to say that it is, but it is not. So then we just have month on one page, and then we have our fun month on two pages. It's a little Where's Waldo this month, but not too bad. So I'm hoping that I get a beach day that day. I haven't been to the beach much at all, and we are joining the pool in our neighborhood. So I'm very excited about that. So we'll be going to the pool. Ooh, we have a food truck at work. That's always fun. It's a Tony's Gumbo. Delicious. So yeah, so that's my monthly. And then this is my list of things to do. I try to have one project a month, and I skipped March and I skipped April because life was crazy. And May was take a break. I did clean out my craft room in June, so yay, I did get something done. So July is clean out and give away clothes. So let's see if I can get that done. And I'm hoping to really come back and pick those two up either in August where I take a break or somewhere in this year before the year is over. And so this is just a basic dashboard. I took one of the personal sized dashboards, gave it a little frame, gave it a little tag, and put plan on top of it because this is my planner section. Just put a little die cut down here, and it was done. Oh, but the background, that background is the stamp. And if y'all haven't seen it, if you don't watch it every month, I so suggest you watch Christine's stamp video because it's like one of my faves. So it is this stamp right here. And I just stamped it over and over again and turned it each time I stamped it, and it just made a background. And so easy peasy, simple page. And I'm not a very good stamper, so if I can do it, you can do it. And then I just backed it up with one of the pre-made dashboards. And then I did a video just recently on how to print things through your printer, like cards like this, pocket cards, that kind of thing. And so that's what I did. I just ran this through my printer. Super simple to do. Watch my video if you're interested. I'll link to that one as well. So this is my planner section. So I go in and I make swatches for the different weeks that I have the spreads for out of the Daisy Dory. I do use a Daisy Dory and the loose inserts. I use both of them because I like having both of them. And so I make a list. I didn't make a list of any photos. I did take a few photos, but I haven't made a list of them yet. Setup, I haven't done a few things on my setup yet. I think I finished that one, but yeah, so I'm mostly done. I didn't need to do that one. So, and this is just an extra if I keep going. Sometimes I make lists of items that I want to use or photos that I want to take. I don't know. I just make lists of things about my planner. And then I make patterns that coordinate every month just because I love to make patterns. That's just kind of one of those. I used to be a graphic designer, and this is one of the things that I truly, truly loved doing. And so this is just a fun place for me to get to use that still, because otherwise, where in the world would I be making patterns? For what? So this was just an exercise in, I just wanted to play with paper. And so I took my silhouette and I just cut out equal size holes. And then I put little pieces of paper or die cuts or whatever, excuse me, in each circle. And I just really liked that it just gave you just a snapshot of the whole kit, just different things. So I have the acetate here, which I'm glad I do because then I ruined the rest of the sheet. So that's the only place I have that acetate because I got it stuck in a punch. I thought I was going to lose my punch, but I ended up tearing up the acetate trying to get it out. Yeah, so I just I stamped that one. So I thought that was super cute. So yeah, that was a fun exercise. I'll probably do that again. I used the vellum right there too. And then backed it up with a dashboard, and we have another piece of lacy paper. So I just, every once in a while, when I have a piece of leftover laminate, like if I laminate something, this is the leftover, if it was smaller than this is just the leftover piece of lamination that came through the laminator, and it's clear. And so I put a few bits of washi on it, some sticky notes, and then I just put one of the transparent stickers right down there. And so here is the color block page to start off my weeklies. So this is my account numbers for work. And then on the back of it, it has passwords. So I'm gonna put my hand over that because I can't let you see that. So each week I have a dashboard of things that need to get done, meals that need to be made. I keep track of my work hours. I pretend like I keep track of hydration, but I don't really, but I put that sticker down every week. My boss's name is Sheila. I misspelled it. It says S-E-I-L-A. I left the H out. I can't believe I left the H out because a lot of times instead of this being a list of things that I need to do, this is a list of things that I just need to bounce off Sheila, talk to her about. So yeah, that keeps that going. So this is week 26, which is the week that we are currently in. And I will take my bookmark out so you can see the whole week. I will take this out too. So this was also, I printed this. I just ran this through my printer. And so it's just my AM, PM, what I need to do. And so here is my first week. And y'all, I'm not even a real lover of purple, but I just absolutely love this kit. I'm starting, it's like Christine's making me love purple. So, reveal is today. I am videotaping this on Monday the 28th, so it is reveal tonight. I'm not sure what time it is. I might be missing reveal by doing this video. We are going to the mountains this week, so that's really fun. I'm excited about that. So yeah, so we're coming home on Saturday, and then it's July 4th, so this is going to be a great week, and it looks so pretty in my planner, so it just makes me happy. I love the stickers and just everything, just like it all. So then I just have a today, and I did not take my planner to work today. I forgot it at home, so nothing got written in it today, which is really sad. But I did use these stickers from the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday from the planner add-on kit, and then I'm not sure where the numbered stickers came from, but they were from one of the kits. So I used those this month for my dailies, and I'm just not putting the day over there because, quite frankly, if I have the day over here, I do not need it over here as well. This is usually just a brain dump site for me anyway. So I did that for all of my dailies this month. So sometimes I stamp them, sometimes I run them through the printer. And then we start on the next week. So I have a color block page, then I have my dashboard page again. And I got the Bible journaling sticker kit this month. And so I'm really liking the little touches of faith stickers in my planner this month. So I might continue to do that. And then this week is all purple. And this bow was left over from September, from a kit in September of 2020. So very, very purple. It makes me happy, purple. I can't believe I'm saying that. But yeah, a lot of fun. Get a work holiday on the 5th. And so I've just clipped these together because they're just my dailies and they're blank. Another dashboard. This one is a little different. I'm a little, when I get to a dashboard that's like this, I'm always a little like not quite sure how to do it because I'm so used to having the page that's divided into thirds. So I just made this one work because it just happened to be on the back side of my weekly spread. And I love these alphas that have the little black outline around the edges. Those and the big tall yellow alphas, I love those too this month. And so this week is just a little bit lighter purple with a little blue and periwinkle. And this bow is from Pine and Peony on Etsy. Yep. And so there's my week. And we'll flip on to the next one. Here's my dashboard. I love this sticker. Either you run the day or the day runs you. That is so true. Feels like the day's been running me lately. And then this last week is all yellows and pretty. They're the tall alphas that I like. And so this little lemon was left over from May of 2020. And this bright, sunshiny spread just makes me happy. And it'll be Cocoa Daisy Sneaks week, so that's going to be a fun week. And then we'll turn this over. And I always do a washi page. I haven't done woven washi in a while, so I went ahead and did that this month. And I really like how it turned out. It was very, very pretty. And I just took a stamp and stamped a little piece of paper and cut a little flag out of it. And then this little jewel, purple jewel, is from 2 Weeks on Mars. And then I just backed it up with a dashboard and another piece of punched paper. And then this is my financial section, so I've got it clipped together, but this is a copy of one of my financial sheets that I use that is bills to pay. So I just have the company, I have them listed in order, in date order, and then how much it is, and then I just mark off in the little circle each month that I pay it. And then I took the vellum and I just put the vellum just right in front of this piece of punched paper and clipped it together with a little felt flower from Fur and You. And then this is my future planning monthly calendar. And so I have week numbers, 2021 at a glance, and holidays. And then I just write on this in pencil. I only write in pencil back here because there's just no telling what needs to be jotted down. And I don't even try to keep it neat. It's just, this is just my life and how it's going and what's going on. And so I do have a bookmark for this month. I'm going to a party. That was the invite. Isn't that cute? It's an anniversary party. And so this was their wedding picture from way back when. So this is things that need to be done this month and what's happening. And yeah. So that's my July, and then it just keeps on going like that, and I have it all the way through December of 2022 so that I can just keep planning out as I need to. And I did make those inserts. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description if you're interested in them. I don't think I have the 2022s done yet to share because I have to take all my stuff out of it if I'm going to share it with someone else, but I will try to do that soon. And then another little felt flower from Fur and You. And then I just took a piece of the plaid paper and put it with this. And then back here, I just have some grid paper. So I have some layouts if I'm doing some layouts for my planner. And then just some plain grid paper. I've been into grid paper lately. This is like my jam right now. I don't know why. It's a thing. I've been, I know that this planner doesn't look like it, but I have been, moving more minimal. I've been using a pencil all the time at work. I never use a pen. I don't even know what's up with me. It feels very weird. But that is my planner for July. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough, and please let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you have a great day, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.